Okay, I have a house window. And this was part of a brand new window that I bought. And I had stored and something fell over on it and it got busted. So it was $100 window, but I decided I would go ahead and just fix it. Instead of going to a glass shop, it's easier to work with plexiglass, and I think it's going to do okay. Now, this is 15 by 20 or 16 by 20 is the size of this glass that I bought. Plexiglass for like $28, and this opening here is 20 by 15 and 3/4. So I just took sandpaper, a sanding disc, and first of all I would sand on one side at an angle, and then I'd go over to the other side and sand at an angle and go in the middle, and that made it a little easier to sand distance off of it so it could go down in here easily. See, it looks kind of like a picture frame. And I thought, now I've got a piece of plastic trim that goes around it, but you don't have to have that. I might put that on if I can get it to look okay. Liquid nails fuse it, all surface, and it applies to glass. I made sure it has glass in there, interior, exterior. So I'm going to get this thing open, and I'm going to take the seal off of this, and we'll see how we can get this in here. Now, I'm going to try to get it as far away from the edge as possible. And that is kind of what I'm doing, because I don't want it to spill out over the edge too much. Kind of make it neat, you know. Because when this glass goes in here, I want it to have enough, but at the same time, I don't want it to got a mistake I want to clean up. Yeah, hard to do this with a camera. Now it's going to be, now it's in there. The glass is in there. Now, I can't help it. I had to push it down just a little bit. You know? Just push it down a little bit. Just make it seal up good, you know? So, yeah, let's see it pretty much. You know, I have to let it dry. You know, it's going to have a little excess on the outside. I couldn't really get that off of there, so I'm not going to smear it. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'll take a scraper, razor blade, and scrape it off of there. And I've got my plastic trim. Hopefully the plastic trim will go on and stay on. If the plastic trim won't work, I'll get some tape and go around there. And I'll put this adhesive on the outside of it. Again, this adhesive is called Liquid Nails. And it works with glass, so plexiglass, plastics, most plastics, plexiglass. So it's something that's indoor and outdoor that'll work with glass. So if you have a window that needs to be repaired, if you can't get the exact right size in plexiglass on eBay, that's what I went to eBay. Comes right to the house, packaged neatly, cheap, you know. So that's kind of what that is, and that's my little thing of replacing glass in a brand new window that was shamefully wasted. And there it is. And it's a window. The total window is 24 by 36 that's in the house. The window in the house is 24 by 36 for a kitchen window in my house. So that's that. Catch you on the flip side. Like, share, subscribe, join the revolution. I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.